Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Google Spreadsheet. So first thing we have to do is just give an access into a Google Spreadsheet. If you cannot find a Google Spreadsheet or you haven't known the symbol of Google Sheet application, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you found a app library, and now you just need to go into the search button and type a Google Sheet. Okay, and after you found it, you just need to click to open it, and this is the look when you are in a Google Spreadsheet. So if you want to start to work in a Google Spreadsheet, of course you need to create the new files by clicking this plus button, and now you can just add the file name or the title for your documents. For example, a project 3. Okay, and after you then just click create, and now you already have an access to do in this whole sheets on a Google Spreadsheet. So if you work in a Google Spreadsheet, mean that you will work with a lot or a bunch of data that combining between a numeric and non-numeric data, so you can like put in any informations into each cells. So cells mean the combination between a columns with the rows. And there will be a lot of functions that you can explore in this Google Spreadsheet. So you just need to click this pencils and go with this if X to exploring the function that provided by the Google Spreadsheets. And the one that really special over this Google Spreadsheet is that you can like covering from a numeric data into a tables or a chart by just clicking this plus button, and now you can just go into the chart and exploring what chart you want to have to convert your data on a table. You can do a column, bar, pie, scatter, or trend. Okay, you can like convert the data that you have. Okay, let me do it my previous project or previous document here. Okay, I already have the document. So to convert this data, we can okay, to move this data, you just need to like plug it and just do the same as I told you before. Click plus, go with the chart, and you can like also choose which chart that you want to have. Okay, let's do it this and done. And now you can see you can like convert the data in a numeric form into a column to make you easier to compare which product they actually have the highest quantity of selling in a month. Okay, so the another things that we that's special from this Google Sheet is that you can like invite your friends to work together over this one document by clicking this three small button, and after that share and export, go into the manage access, so you can like manage the access from restricted into anyone with the link, and you just need to copy this and send the link into your friends. So that's all the way actually how you work or how you use a Google Spreadsheet. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.